In the last lesson, we learned about the design of the forward and reverse operation of the motor controlled by PLC plus HMI. How to carry out the concrete implementation is the main content of this lesson. Start with establishing the project of the forward and reverse operation control of the motor with PLC plus touchscreen. Create a new project. Add hardware device PLC and touchscreen. Open the project view. Add new device. Controller S7-1200 CPU 1215 DC. Order number, version number 4.1, confirm. Add new device HMI, comfort panel, 9-inch display. Confirm. Establish the network connection between PLC and HMI. In the project tree, the devices and networks are opened. Choose HMI connection to connect these two together with strip lines. Add PLC variable and write the programs of the forward and reverse operation control of PLC motor. Add PLC variable table and the PLC variable table default variables in the project tree. Forward operation of the touch screen. Start button. Reverse operation of the touch screen. Start button M0.2. Touch screen stop button M0.0. Motor forward operation Q0.0. Motor reverse operation Q0.1. PLC forward operation start button I0.1. PLC reverse operation start button I0.2. PLC stop button I0.0. Because we need to establish this variable table, the variable in this variable table has to be connected to after the touch screen apply this one, and PLC motor forward and reverse operation control program has to be written. Open the main program in the program block to enter the already set program. First, we select the corresponding PLC address. Then PLC forward start button. The touch screen forward operation start button. Then PLC stop button. The touch screen stop button. The motor forward operation starts. This contact is interlocked, the motor reverse operation starts. then reverse to start. We apply copy and paste method to modify its address. PLC reverse operation start button. The touch screen reverse operation start button. Stop and don't need to change. The output motor reverse operates. The self-locking motor reverse operates. The interlock motor forward operates. Here, it is both okay to apply absolute value or symbol display. I0.1, I0.2, I0.0, respectively as PLC forward start, reverse start, stop button, M0.1, M0.2, M0.0, respectively as touch screen forward start, reverse start, stop control. The motor forward and reverse operation control picture of the configuration touch screen. After adding the touch screen, a touch screen device appears on the project tree, and the editing picture of the touch screen is opened. The touch screen picture and the root picture are also opened. The modification of the touch screen editing picture. Click Attribute to choose its background color. On the right is its toolbox with basic objects. These are graphic symbols, circle, and this is text field. Basic element. Here I/O field, button, and also controls, etc. The generation and configuration of the indicator drags circle into our editing picture. Select Attribute Appearance to select the color of this circle. We can modify the border width of the circle. And generally choose solid for the style. The indicator light circle and motor connection and setting in the PLC variable table. Choose Attribute, Animation. Then display Add New Animation to choose Appearance. Confirm. Choose this variable and animation appearance. Here, the name of the variable should correspond to the name in PLC variable table. So PLC variable table is required to be selected here. The motor forward operation starts. Check, confirm. When this motor turns forward to 0, namely turn off with background color of 1, we choose green for its background color. And then we will get the running graphics of the motor forward operation. As for the second reverse operation then, we can apply copy and paste method to carry out copy and paste. And then modify its parameter. Select Attribute, Appearance. You can choose the background color of its reverse operation circle. In the animation appearance here, the selected variable is motor reverse operation. You need to choose it in the PLC variable table. Choose motor reverse operation. Check. When it's 0, the color is the same as the original background color. When it's 1, turn on, choose green. Generation and configuration of the text field. Drag the text field into the picture. Select Attribute, General. Enter the motor forward and reverse operation. You can choose the font size here. And check here makes the object conform to the content, mainly because the font size changes with the changed border size. Select Attribute, Appearance, and you can modify the bottom color of the character. We choose this color, then fill the pattern and select Solid, where we choose the size of this border. As for the forward and reverse operation of the second circle, we can apply copy and paste method. Through Attribute, General, the forward operating indicator light, we change this text into forward operating indicator light, and choose 23 for the font size. Then choose Attribute, Appearance, and this font bottom color and others can remain unchanged. Then we copy and paste again. Reverse the indicator light. Then connect again, change the text reverse operation with font size unchanged. As for the appearance background, we choose the same color as that of the circle, with others remain unchanged. Then 3 text fields are completed. Generation and configuration of the HMI buttons. We find this button here in the element and drag it into this touch screen. Then choose Attribute, General. Enter the text symbol of this button. The forward start button. Then modify the button background color and attribute appearance. Set the border width and choose 3D style. Select Attribute, Layout, to make sure to choose an object which conforms to the content. Then choose this text border. Text format. Set the button font size. Horizontal alignment. We choose center aligned. Vertically centered. The text color is just the same one as the font color. Because it's not clear, we choose another color. then the first button is completed. As for other buttons, we can apply copy and paste method to make modification. Copy, paste. Then choose Attribute, General, where we change it into Stop button. Then the text of the second Stop button is modified. Choose Attribute, Appearance, and you can select the bottom color of this button. The background color is red. The text color is white. And other layout is the same size as the text format. Then we copy, paste. The third button is from Attribute, General. Change this text into Reverse Start button. Then change the background color from Appearance. We choose black. We apply white for this text and others can remain unchanged. The animation configuration of HMI button. Choose Attribute, Event, Release. Select the Edit Bit Reset bit for the function. As for adding function, we drop down here to select the PLC variable table. This is the forward touch screen, forward start button. Check. Press Add function, select the Edit Bit Reset bit. Then choose the touch screen forward operation start button in the PLC variable table. Check. This indicates that when we press this forward start button, it's set. When we release it, it's reset. We can complete the whole setting with only one button. As for other two buttons, we can apply copy and paste method. As for other buttons, we can apply copy and paste method to modify the corresponding parameter. Then, when we copy and paste, this parameter to be modified mainly has one attribute event. Thus, in this attribute event, we need to connect the PLC variable table. For example, the stop button needs to be connected to the touchscreen stop button in the PLC variable table. As for all start buttons, any one of them must be connected to the touchscreen reverse start button variable and the PLC variable table. Downloading programs and debugging. After this project is completed, first click PLC, download the PLC project into the corresponding PLC, where we click Download. And the download preview will appear. Select Load here and then Complete. Then select this touch screen and click Download to the device, to download the project completed by the touch screen onto the touch screen. Check full coverage of the original content. Integrated simulation is to simulate the communication data exchange between PLC and HMI. Open the computer control panel. Open the PC, PG interface. Choose PLCsim.tcp IP point 1 here. Confirm at the application access point. Then open the TIA portal software. Download the just completed program into the simulation PLC. Click PLC. Open it to start the simulation. Choose the touchscreen project. Open the simulation. Thus we can display the operation of the simulation touch screen on this screen. Press the forward start button to start forward operation. The indicator light turns on. Press the stop button, and it will stop. Press the reverse start button, and the reverse motor will start operation. Then press the stop button, and it will stop. So that's all for this lesson.